So here we have, suppose f of x is equal to 2x squared plus 7x minus 13. You want to compute f of -3, f of x plus 2, and f of -x. What you need to make a note of when you're solving this problem is that -3, x plus 2, and -x, they're all inputs. Which means that you're plugging in those expressions, whether it's a whole number, an algebraic expression, or variable expression, you're plugging them into whatever function is given to you. So this problem, f of x was the given function. It was defined as 2x squared plus 7x minus 13. So if I want to do something like f of -3, then this is going to equal to 2 times -3 squared plus 7 times -3 minus 13. We can evaluate this. First off, when you think about PEMDAS, you do all the parentheses or exponents first. So we have to do the exponents, which is namely -3 squared. What is -3 squared? 9. So you get 2 times 9 plus 7 times -3 minus 13. Now, what's 2 times 9? 18. What's 7 times -3? -21 minus 13. All right, so we can do 18 minus 21. What's 18 minus 21? -3, followed by minus 13, which is? That's right. If you apply keep, change, flip, or keep, change, sorry, it's -3 plus -13. This will give you -16. Okay, good. That's the first one. I'm going to do the second one last. I'm going to do f of -x first, next. So f of -x means that wherever you see x in the function, you replace it by -x, just like what I did with the -3. So this is equal to 2 times -x squared plus 7 times -x minus 13. Now, what is -x squared? Not x, but x squared. Anytime you square a negative number, the result is always positive. So you're going to get 2x squared. 7 times -x is -7x and minus 13. There's nothing to simplify here or combine any like terms, so this will be your final answer. Let's do the second one, which I skipped, only because that one's a little bit more lengthy. So the next one was f of f of x plus 2. So x plus 2 would imply wherever I see an x, replace it by x plus 2. So this gives us 2 times x plus 2 squared plus 7 times x plus 2 minus 13. So just aside, just like what I did in the previous parts, you first deal with the exponents, namely where you have to expand the x plus 2 squared. But what you guys saw today earlier is that if I want to expand x plus 2 squared, you write it as a product of itself. So x plus 2 times x plus 2. And you FOIL this out. So what's x times x? X squared. What's x times 2? 2x. 2 times x is also 2x. And 2 times 2 is 4. So you get x squared plus 4x plus 8. So I'm going to factor that in back into my expression. So what we're going to get here is 2 times x squared plus 4x plus 4 plus 7 times x plus 2 minus 13. Next, you distribute the 2 inside the first set of parentheses and then distribute the 7 in the second set of parentheses. This will give us 2x squared plus 8x plus 8 plus 14x plus 7x, plus 7 times 2, which is 14, minus 13. And now you combine all the like terms. First of all, is there anything I can combine with the 2x squared? Nope. So I leave that alone. Can I combine anything with the 8x? Yes, what can I combine with the 8x? 7x. So how many x's we have? 15x. Then you combine the 8. Can you combine the 8 with anything? Yeah, you can combine it with 14 and 13. So first off, what is 14 minus 13? 1. So this is a positive 1. So all I got to do is 8 plus 1, which is 9. And that will be our answer for the second, for the f of x plus 2.